Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this truck in Off-Road Outlaws. So the car is in trucks. It is pretty far in. Yellow. You can't put it in yellow here, but that's close as I can get. And this truck's 20,000. We will do the body first. So the front bumper will be the second one, not the third one, the fourth. Cage, there is none. Roof light is be these old-fashioned, well, not old-fashioned, but just dirty lights. Little holes inside them like that. So that's the third one, light. No horns. Windshield protection, no. Jack, no, because it just looks goofy. Winch, yes, hell yes. This is a very good tow rig, by the way. Then we got light bar, no, because it covers the grill and I don't like it, but that's optional for you. I'm gonna turn that off. Headlights, they've got to be white. Yellow's not as effective. White is better. Repair pack, it will be the $2,000 one. I know it's more expensive, but it just looks better because it's going to be a cat truck. That's it for the bloody... Oh, don't say that. For the body. Oops, I accidentally exited. Decals. So we'll do. So decals is hard. First, I went with the diesel power. It is in custom text. Go to the second font. Second font. Is a little wolf. Pretty sure it is. I just deleted that so I could show you guys. Like that. I like it like that. So after you've done that, we do a red square, then a black on top of it. The black one is pretty hard. I'm still not that good at it, but yeah, we're all bad at some things. Just showing some positivity for you guys who don't think you can do this build. Then we write cat in white writing, obviously. Then we get this orange triangle from Shapes, put it on that. Then that's about it for that. Since I deleted that, it wants me to pay again. Tires, I couldn't be bothered really changing that. You can put a wrap on it if you want. I was thinking of putting this on it. I wouldn't recommend doing that. That was just an experiment. Rims normal. I did not mess around with the suspension because I don't know what to do with it. And then upgrades, power max, grip max, weight is already maxed out. Durability 100% max. If you really want it to be a really good tow rig, I recommend this, but I haven't been using it that much. Just a little sit around car for YouTube videos. And then put a turbo on it. Turbo's really good. No, you could not dyno run this. Suspension, I will do another day. I'll do a second video. And that's about it. But if you want me to show you something, please do not steal my builds, by the way. If you are going to do my build, go to that, go custom text on the front, do grey, do WQ customs, do that, then you duplicate it, make it teal, because we all know, if you saw the logo, I love teal. And with that, I did wrong font. Okay, make sure it's a bloody font, the blood font. Just gonna see there's little drips through it. Just didn't work as much as usual. And that's about it, guys. I will see ya tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. See ya. Let's apply these mods. Bye.